There we go.
What's going on? Mike B Fishing. Yes, I did change the name of the channel. I'm sorry, it was not fitting, but that's the new name of the channel. That's what you can call it, Mike B Fishing, because I be fishing when I can. I haven't been on the water in so long. Today we're getting into some fishing, but we're gonna do something way different. Okay, way different. We're gonna do fishing with a mystery tackle box. That's what we're gonna do today. Mystery tackle box. And before we get into this video, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed. Turn your post notification bell on just to be notified every time I post a new video. Let's get this unboxed. All right, let's see what we're gonna be fishing with. I'm gonna put it back in the box. We're gonna head to the lake just with this box. I'm not gonna bring no more tackle or nothing with us. If this comes with hooks, that is great. Now, if my rods are already hooked up or whatever, I'm gonna use the hooks on those rods. Today is a real limited fishing equipment day. Seal is off. All right. I love how they have this package. Oh my goodness. So, beautiful package inside of a package. Great. Great. Look at this. All right. Ooh, goodies. So, when you open this box, of course, it has the ruler. You could take this box with you also. I'd cut it off or whatever, then fold it up and just put it away in my bag or whatever. If you need a ruler, if you don't have one, you can do that. That's great. And it tells you everything that you need to know. Catch, measure, share, you like. So, okay, first thing is Harmony hooks. I think these are, what are these? It doesn't say the thing. I think these are like 3/0 hooks. 3/0, the Harmonies right there. It comes with like a QR code type of brochure thing. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Oh, we got some baits in here today. We have the high floaters. Let me bring that closer to you. Beautiful baits, you know. You got the Deep Thud series, the Fat Boy. What is this specifically? Sherry Shad, PB4 8, right there. Nice one, right? We have Thin Swim 4-inch, 1/4 ounce, 5-piece G-Rat baits. Look forward to that one. Oh. This is what I've been looking for a long time. You know what? Just for y'all, I have another box. And with this box, if I get 400 to 500 views on this video alone, I will be doing a giveaway and you'll be getting this box right here. I don't know what they've been doing in shop, but they've been upgrading, and I will be putting this right here on a Carolina rig. Tell me that ain't nice. Let me pack this stuff up. Let's get down there. We got the mystery tackle box right now outside. I'm about to open it up, and we're about to get to work. So what we're gonna use first? I don't know. Hey, do I have my jig heads in the car? I believe so. I do. I think I'm going to start off with the jig heads, and then we're going to work our way down. So let me go get that real quick. Hang tight. All right, y'all, so I'm back now. I'm going to do something different, right? On the jig head, I was thinking about spinner action. You know what I'm saying? A little vibrant spinner action. I was thinking about that. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give it a try and see how it turns out. So let's get hooked up. And I got my stuff for Carolina rig. I already got a hook. I already got my stuff for Carolina rig. I'm gonna set that up also. Let's see what we do. Let's see. Oh, that's a bass that's right there. Let's see how this does. Because you never know, we might get hooked up. Ooh, that was a bite. That was a bite. That was a bite. For sure. Gosh. That was a nice bite too. I don't see no teeth marks. He held on to it for a little bit. Dang it. Dang it. I'm gonna reel in a little slower. I'm gonna do a little bit slower and see if they'll hang on to it a little bit longer, just for me to get that good hook set. All right, I got the DB4. All right. I like the color on that. Pink nose, the eyes, the golden black, the chartreuse middle, the white bottom. Let's see something. There we go. That's one. That's one. We counting down, baby. That's one. We counting down, baby. He came up and I seen that. I seen it. I seen that. He came up and attacked it for sure. He came up and attacked that one, buddy boy. Attack that one. That's a small one, but you know, nothing crazy. But I seen him swim off from right here. I seen him swim off right there, and then I guess he came back or whatever. But I didn't get this one on camera. But like the fifth cast, I caught me a nice one. That's the same size as the other one, you know. Same size as the other one. Not bigger. They're like small footballs today, huh? Good thing but people that watch my old fishing channel, you guys know that I don't bring these usually. I always forget them, but today I got them, and we're doing more good hook sets than ever. So